생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 쇼핑하면서 가격을 문의하거나 흥정할 때
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $39.99, but it's on sale today.
I don't see a price tag on this one.
Oh, sorry about that. Let me check the price for you.
Thanks. Is there any additional discount?
If you pay with our store card, you get 10% off.
That sounds like a good deal.
Or we have a cheaper brand over here.
This one looks nice, but it's a bit expensive.
It's on sale for $24.99. We don't usually bargain, but I can ask the manager.
Great. What's the total if I take both?
The total comes to $64.98.
All right. I'll make the payment by card. Where can I pay?
The cashier is over there. You can make the payment there.